beautiful bird and the crow.
Oh, here is the story of the beautiful bird and the plain black crow. This is a story that few know. It is the loneliest story I have ever heard, and it goes like this.
Oh, once upon a time there were two birds who lived in an enchanted forest. They were the only birds there. One was a beautiful, oh, so beautiful
bird of paradise who could sing with the greatest of talent that touched the heart and the soul, and the other was just a plain black crow who could only go caw, caw, caw.
and that was the only song
it could sing at all. Oh, here is the story of the beautiful bird and the plain black crow. This is a story that few know. It is the loneliest story I have ever heard, and it goes like this. Oh, the two could talk to each other. The crow gave the beautiful bird the name Beauty, and the beautiful bird gave the crow the name Blackie. They were dear friends. Oh, here is the story of the beautiful bird and the plain black crow. This is a story that few know. It is the loneliest story I have ever heard, and it goes like this.
Beauty often said to Blackie,
all we have is each other.
you are my only,
And I am your only.
we two are the only birds who live in this enchanted forest.
We are the only birds here. And Blackie often said to Beauty, oh, we live here alone. Oh, how I wish others could see your beauty and hear you sing so wonderfully. Oh, how I wish your beauty could be widely shown, and your singing widely known. Oh, here is the story of the beautiful bird and the plain black crow. This is a story that you know. It is the loneliest story I have ever heard, and it goes like this.
And so Beauty and Blackie lived on and on.
Beauty would sing
Many a beautiful song
and fly over Mirror Lake,
can glide about to see its reflection in the mirroring water of Mirror Lake.
and Blackie would sit on a tree branch and cheer Beauty on with Blackie's only song of caw, 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 and caw, caw, caw. And that was how their days and their years and their lives went on, until first one and then the other was gone. Until first one and then the other